So how do we make our own packages? Python actually makes it ridiculously simple. So let's do it. Let's just do an example. So if we just make a directory and say my pkg, and within my pkg, I'm going to say create a init.py, and believe it or not, that's it. That's how you make a Python package, right? So let's do this. Let's also create a math.py file, and in there I'm going to define to a b, and then I'm going to say return a plus b. Cool. So that is a super simple function within a Python file. So let's go ahead and say use up the interpreter, and I'm going to say from my pkg import math, which is a bad name, by the way, because there's a standard library called math, and so don't use this. This is not good practice. But for our demonstration, let's just go ahead and do that. So math 2 1 2 3 3 4. So there you go. That is, in a nutshell, how you make a Python package. You just have to have a dunder init file, and when you call that package, whatever is in the init.py file is going to get executed. So for example, if we just say my package, dunder init, and then I'm just going to say print hello world. That's customary of what we're doing. So let's just fire it up again, right? So from my pkg import math, and you see hello world being printed, as opposed to previously that wasn't, because whatever is in init.py gets executed first.